In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to shift an 18-speed transmission. Some trucks they either have like a sticker right here, or it's on the shift knob. It'll show you the shift pattern, but this truck doesn't have one. Basically, you're just going from left to right, up and down. So this is considered low, but they count it as part of one of the 18 gears. So I'm just gonna say this is first, just to make it easier. So right here with the button back, if the button is gray, it's an 18 speed. If it's red, it's a 13 speed. So right now, I guess we're in low, but this is first, second. Now you start over with the button, you pull it back, third, fourth, start over, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Now that's the low range. To flip it in the high range, you hit the front button. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, and there's 18. So all you're really doing is you're going from left to right, up and down in each spot. Left, middle, right, over and up. That's reverse, which you can also split if you really wanted to. So it's basically a nine speed, but each gear is split into 2 gears. Now with the 10 speed, same thing on the low side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Flip the front button. Now 6th on a 10 speed is all the way back over to the left again and down. 7, 8, 9, 10. When I'm driving normally, I drive this like a 13 speed pretty much. I don't split the low gears unless I'm loaded and I'm starting off from like a dead stop and there's a hill right in front of me or something. I'll go through the low gears until I get to the last one, and I'll split the last one just to keep the RPMs up and flip it back and then go in the high range. Or if I'm moving along like really slow somewhere, like going up the hill in the landfill or something, I stay in the low range. I'll split one of the low gears just to lower the RPMs. So when you're in a gear and you're splitting, you don't use the clutch. So when you go from directed, when you push it forward, all you got to do is let off the gas and get back on the gas. It changes gears on its own. With downshifting, you flip it back. If you let off the gas pedal, the truck kind of acts like it's in neutral, so you give it RPM and you kind of rev match it. You just rev it up a little bit and it'll grab on its own. I hope I didn't make that seem like more confusing than it was, but it really is simple once you get the hang of it. It's just a basic H pattern, just like a car, except each gear slot is 2 gears. It's just split into 2 gears with this button, back and forward. So I hope that helped you guys. I appreciate you watching. See you next time. Once you're a pro at this, you'll be shifting through the gears going down the highway like this, just like everybody else with their filthy, dirty feet. Just a little bonus, if you guys don't have one of these, go get one, especially if you own the truck. don't have to go to a truck stop and look for a spot to get air or anything. You hook it up to the red air line. Come in here, push the trailer, put air to the trailer, but it's going to this air line right here. Ugh. I found a low tire on the tractor. I think it was that one, yeah. And just hook it up. Get the air right from your truck.